Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Just doing a quick video to let you all know about the London Olympia trade show that's coming up on the 29th and 30th of September. So please come along and see us. We're going to be at stand G30, got some fantastic things going on. We'll be doing some demos and the times for those demos will be posted online. So we'll do specific times this year so you can come and have a look at some back waxing, eyebrow waxing, perhaps some underarm waxing, and we can do some question and answer at the demonstrations. We've also got a fantastic competition that's running this year where you can win £100 of Outback Organics retail products. And along with that, we're also doing a cheese plant, which is the fantastic inspiration behind our Outback logo. So there's going to be 20% off on the day. We'd love to see you there. So all of our existing clients, please do come and say hello because we do love seeing you guys. And anyone new and interested in the brand, we're going to have some lovely, happy, smiley faces there to answer any questions and spend some time and show you what we have.